everyone, Adam here from Thinkware. And today I'm thrilled to introduce you to Thinkware's new flagship model, the U3000 dashcam. The U3000 features built-in front and rear radar, taking parking surveillance to a whole new level. Not just that, it also features Sony's cutting-edge Starvis 2 sensor incorporating the latest recording technology to deliver breathtaking 4K UHD footage, both during the day and at night. There's a lot more to discuss. So let's dive right in and discover what makes the Thinkware U3000 stand out. Clear image with new Sony Starvis 2 sensor. The U3000 outperforms the U1000 in 4K front and 2K rear recording, thanks to Sony's new Starvis 2 sensor and a more powerful Ambarella CPU. The addition of an adjustable bitrate allows the flexibility to record sharper, more precise footage. Super Night Vision 4.0. Imagine this, a dashcam that not only captures clear recordings during the day, but also excels in capturing the finest details at night. Well, the Thinkware U3000 makes it a reality with its remarkable Super Night Vision 4.0. Leveraging the advancements in high sensitivity and low noise technology from Sony's Starvis 2 sensor, the U3000 is designed to deliver more detailed footage in low light situations. New radar parking mode with built-in radar. Introducing Radar Parking Mode, an innovative low-power recording feature of the Thinkware U3000 dashcam. By using its built-in front and rear radar sensors, the U3000 can effectively monitor motion and impact while consuming minimal power. These radars are designed to detect moving objects, such as pedestrians or vehicles, within a customizable range of 1 to 5 meters. Only movements within the selected distance range are detected and recorded. What sets the U3000 radar parking mode apart from regular motion detection is its remarkable duration. It lasts a remarkable 480 hours or 20 days when connected to an I-volt extra external battery, compared to the 22 hours in a traditional motion detection mode. This extended surveillance capability ensures that your vehicle remains protected and monitored for an extended period of time. When a motion or impact is detected in radar parking mode, the U3000 promptly saves a 20-second video clip, capturing 10 seconds before and after the incident. This comprehensive recording allows you to review the events leading up to and following the motion or impact, so you have evidence of the entire incident. Advanced safety features. Let's not overlook the advanced safety features like lane departures, front vehicle departures, and potential forward and rear collisions. What's new with the U3000 is that the rear cam can detect an object tailgating your car for more than 5 to 10 seconds within a distance of 5 to 10 meters, alerting you and immediately saving the footage to the events folder. You have the flexibility to adjust your vehicle's speed threshold, ranging from 50 to 100 kilometers per hour, allowing you to receive these alerts exclusively on the highway or extend them to city driving as well. I-volt extra external battery. Unlock the full potential of your U3000 dashcam by pairing it with the I-volt extra external battery. This powerful combination extends the radar parking mode up to an impressive 20 days of continuous operation. When the U3000 is connected to the I-volt extra external battery, you gain more than just extended recording capabilities. The dashcam goes the extra mile to keep you informed about what the battery status is when you start or stop the ignition.
The remaining of I-volt battery is about 80%.
Moreover, it unlocks the external battery saving setting, optimizing power management for even greater efficiency. If the battery level drops below 20%, the dashcam automatically switches to energy saving mode to conserve power without compromising essential functions. Easy Wi-Fi device pairing. With the U3000 dashcam's built-in Bluetooth functionality, you can easily pair it with your compatible Android or iOS device using the Thinkware Link app. You can enjoy seamless connectivity in any environment with the U3000's built-in dual-band Wi-Fi. Whether you're transferring files or accessing live view, the dashcam supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz bandwidths for faster and more reliable connections. Thinkware Connected App. With the Thinkware Connected App, you can enjoy a range of advanced features that keep you connected and informed about your vehicle's surroundings. Curious about how it works? Let me break it down for you. Thinkware Connected App offers an array of exceptional features, including impact notifications when your vehicle is parked, emergency messages, and remote live view. But that's not all. The Thinkware Connected App also provides you with valuable information about your vehicle, like its status, driving history, and even the most recent parking image captured. Simply connect your U3000 dashcam to the internet to gain access to these features. Very convenient, don't you think? OBD2 Cable. The U3000 2-channel bundle comes with an OBD2 power cable. Like the hard wiring cable, the OBD2 cable also enables parking mode, but it makes installation considerably easier. Just plug in the cable at the OBD2 port in your vehicle, and you're good to go. The OBD2 cable is compatible with not just gas cars, but also electric cars. And that brings us to the end of this video. We've covered everything you need to know about the Thinkware U3000 and its standout features. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.